Good afternoon all. I've come up on this glorious November afternoon to take a walk around video of a new listing, the beautiful Villa Starlight, so named because of its non-estate location and the gorgeous starry canopy the owners get every evening. Now this is a large 4-bed 2-bath property with a separate very large detached garage. You can just see there to the right. Beautiful 8x4 metre swimming pool, and you can see a nice little covered dining gazebo just to the side of this. It's again a gloriously sunny day, and I've actually come out with a jacket on and I'm feeling a little bit hot, but there is a little bit of a breeze, so forgive me if that's kind of causing some background noise. So love the flagstone terrace there that you can see surrounds the swimming pool, and then that has a few steps leading up to a very large upper terrace. The part of the villa you see there's a door going straight into a very spacious 22 something metre kitchen, double doors in the centre there underneath a covered porch that lead into the lounge, and then over to the right you can see a bit more clearly now the very large detached garage come workshop. So I've wandered up quickly to the upper terrace there, and the breeze is getting up a little bit, but you can see the magnificent views. As I say, it's set in around 8,900 metres of land. I mean, not all of that's been fenced and walled off, but I'd say around 3,000 has, and it just gives it total privacy, wonderful views as you can see. Now it's within walking distance of a number of bars and cafes in Almeria, the village of Partaloa, and you're about 6 minutes in the middle between both the large market towns of Albox and Cantoria. Love this little porch area as well, and that feeds directly into the lounge. You can see mature yuccas, palms, some dates coming out on that one there. So just a little pan around from this side for you, and you can see the view for the owners every evening or every day. Absolutely beautiful. So I've entered the villa via the upper terrace, straight into a door right off of the very spacious kitchen, around 22 metres as I said. Ample white storage units, wall and floor, and you've got the first of 2 wood burners in here as well, so you can literally kind of spend lots of time out here in the winter and still be warm and toasty. Quick pan around from this side for you. You can see, because of the size of the kitchen, ample room for a good sized dining table in here. It's a kitchen diner as opposed to just a kitchen. And then door access there off to the right goes straight into a very spacious L-shaped central hallway that connects to all of the other rooms. So you can see double arched access there off to the right, which leads into the lounge sitting room. So let's have a wander into there. So very, very good sized room. Now there's a second wood burner in here. There's one of the owners' very elderly dog, unfortunately fast a kip on the mat there, so I don't want to disturb her. I'm doing my best not to. Now further arched access just there off to the left that goes out into the hallway, and there the double doors you've seen that come out onto a covered porch and look immediately over the swimming pool. So taking a little look round now from the other end. You've got twin ceiling fans in this room. Now you can see the door we just came in via, and then the arched access out into the hallway. The second large wood burner over there in the corner. So to carry on, if you like, with the flow, let's go out of the lounge via the way we came in, and then, so first door on the left of the hallway as you leave the kitchen, the first of the 4 double bedrooms. There's an open fronted bank of fitted wardrobes just to the left there. immediately next to that bedroom on the left if you've got the main master bedroom. So bedroom 2, very large bank of floor to ceiling fitted wardrobes, a triple bank. Ceiling fan you can see there, and this has got a good size ensuite as well. So the ensuite bathroom, it was in need of some refurbishment, and that's been started, but it's not quite finished yet, but it will be very soon. Now that's got a WC, a hand basin, and a nice shower behind the door in there. And let's take a look at the hallway now from the other end. So it goes right to the far end there, and then you've got further door access going out to the garden just to the side of the garage. So there's 3, if you like, access points in and out of the property to the gardens. So just along from the master bedroom, you've got the full family or the shared family bathroom. So very nice double walk-in shower in here, full bath, WC, hand basin, bidet. So a fully equipped bathroom. Continuing along the hall, you can see now the double arched access there off to the right, which leads back into the living room. Very nice feature that, to have 2 access points in and out of the living room. Bedroom number 3, another good size double. Bank of fitted wardrobes and a cabinet there you can see. Very nicely appointed room. I'm talking a little bit loud over here because the last bedroom is actually occupied. Someone who's not very well at the moment, so I can't go and film that, but they've got the radio at full blast and I don't want to have copyright material. So taking a look at the hallway here now from the other end, I've got a bedroom door, the 4th bedroom to my right, and as I say, I can't really film in there at the moment. And then just immediately opposite that, there is a very useful, good size interior storeroom. I mean, again, this could be adapted to a very small 5th bedroom if you wanted to, but you can see there's electric and stuff out here, so very handy storeroom. And just to the left of that, you've got door access straight back out to the garden. So just out through that last door, and immediately opposite you have a pedestrian entrance into the huge garage cum workshop. I mean, this is certainly a double. As you can see, it's a kind of working workshop, but a lot of this would be cleared. And then you've got ample room. I mean, gosh, this could be a garage and a guest apartment. Certainly big enough, and you've got electric and water out here. So there you have it, Villa Starlight, €249,995. Full details will be in the link below if you'd like to arrange a viewing. Get in contact by the normal channels, khalidahomes@hotmail.com, or give us a call, 950, or +34, sorry, 950 430 763. Look forward to hearing.